Alrighty, guys. It is time for some more. Ooh, 20% fire rate. Yo. Sell that. Take that. Sell this. Yo, 20% fire rate? Crazy. I only have minus 5% fire rate. All right. Let's not get too distracted from that. Again. Again. Let's not get too distracted from that. All right. In Roblox Studio, what shall we be doing, guys? We shall be... What is it that I need to do again in this? So what did I make happen in this game, man? In Roblox Studio? Let me see, huh? So we can create one, invite, it rejects, and if you join, puts you inside of the players list. Oh no, why does it say party size 0? Oh no. Why is that a bug? Print out size. Size amount. Shown explorer. Size amount attribute. Amount. Oh no, why did it say 0? Oh, you know why it doesn't say anything? That's because this is supposed to automatically be put onto 5 because I have the size amount text being 5. Whoopsies. That's why it has that error. So now if I do it, yeah, it's fine. Whoops. Make sure it matches the text, right? So the reason why that was happening there was because you go to serverless create, it says 5 here. It doesn't change the attribute until you click it. So once you click it, then it'll change the attribute. But since I didn't click it, the attribute was still the same. Damn. I don't need projectile speed though. So since the attribute was still the same, it didn't do much. So, but now that we did change the attribute, we should work as intended from now on. Yeah. So now you can invite somebody, join them. If you join them, they get put into the players. Okay. So I need a debound system for this though. Now that I'm thinking about it, huh? I probably need a debound system for this for inviting, so that way people can't just spam you with the invite. Okay, so in that case, we have the... Okay, we're gonna ascend. Ascension. See, I want more loot capacity. It requires 30. Let's see what this does, huh? More grit. Okay, you know what? More grit? Sure. Okay, so invite remote is being sent from the person. Where is it being connected though? Okay, so it's being connected onto here. Invite remote upon invite. So what we're gonna have to do here is local invites is equal to a table. So when the player is invited, it will go invites dash person inviting is equal to true, while task dot spawn function task dot wait, let's do 1, and then is equal to false. Okay, so what we're doing is we're gonna be making a debound system. So it's going to say if invites slash person inviting is equal to true, then return end. This way they can't spam it. Return end and return, then return else if it is not, then do this and then do this. Here I'm gonna do this, that, this. So this should just be spawning a separate thing into the game. So it should be a what is it? What is it? It should be a different thread, so it shouldn't stop the code at all. Should just keep on running. Eat that, my heart. Ugh. Ah, my heart. Damn Vegas nerve. I don't know why it does that. So here, get rid of that. So this is kind of like a debound system, so that way if they spam it at you, you're not gonna get like 20 of them. Maybe I should do maybe I should actually wait. So maybe instead of doing this, invites, because it's not creating an invite, right? It's not creating a invite frame. Maybe I should though create an invite frame, because if I create an invite frame for each and every single one, then they could stack on top of each other. So maybe I should clone this invite frame and then make the clone do all of this. I'm trying to think. So I'm thinking if I do it like this, a problem that will occur is the fact that You know, how about we do this then, huh? So we're gonna make a frame inside of here. Rename this frame a holder, invite holder frame. Invite holder frame. So we're gonna make this as big as the screen. We're just gonna make it be completely transparent. Put the invite holder frame into here. Put a UI list layout. Change this list layout to be vertical. I need the padding to be a little bit more. So we're gonna... Oh. Why is it like that though? Don't do that. Oh no. Okay, wait. Vertical. Yeah, see, so I need it to be like that. However, horizontal center. There we go. Top padding scale 0.1. Okay, 0.1's a little bit too big, so it's gonna be 0.01. There we go. So now, when you get invited, it just goes down. Okay. But I have to change a lot of this stuff now, because now the invite frame is not dot parent dot invite frame, but dot invite holder frame dot invited frame. So theoretically though, if I actually wanted this to be better, I'd put this inside of here, put it inside of this, and so now we have this be invited instead of invite frame. We call this invite holder frame, and then a local invite frame is equal to the replicated storage dot GUI assets dot what did I call it? Lobby assets dot invite frame. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going here and local clone is equal to invite frame dot clone. So once this happens, we just do the clone instead. So here we're actually gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of this, get rid of this. We're gonna do this a different style. So now that we create a clone of it, right? Instead of doing whatever I was doing. Ooh, 2.5. Okay, wait. There we go. So instead of, so now we clone it. First we have to parent the clone. So clone dot parent is equal to invite holder frame. Right, so it's the parents it down into here, and then now we go here into the invites, and we say invites, and then person inviting is equal to the clone. So now we check if invites slash player person inviting, then return end, else make the clone. So now what this should enable us to do, so when you create it, it won't spam it, so it'll only be one. How I'm going to be testing that is I'm actually going to do this, do that. I think this should make it like all messed up. Should. Yeah. So you see there's just a whole bunch of them. Okay, so that does indeed work. So now, if we change it back, it should work perfectly, right? It's only one. So the player can only send one. Nice! Perfect! Look at that, guys. That's absolutely perfect. Perfect right there. So basically, we're just having a debounce system inside of the invite remote, right? Because the issue is that you could send multiple remote. You could send it multiple times, and when you do, it would just spam them with a whole bunch of them, right? And so I made it so that way if there's a whole bunch of invites, invite frames, it goes down the list, you know, like it'll like shift down and stuff. Who knows, maybe I'll do an animation stuff for it. For now though, I'm not gonna do that, because why would I do an animation for that, guys? But yes, so we have all of that working. So it's just a debounce for the fact that if the one person does try to spam it at them, that it's not actually going to do anything to them. That all it's going to do is just stop it, right? It's just going to say, oh, this person already has a frame that is created for them. Let's not make another one. That's all I'm doing. And it works perfectly. That works perfectly fine. So, that's good. That's really good. Now, what we have to do is we are going to is there anything else I need like maybe some things that might not work, maybe some things that will work. Okay, let's play the game, right? You get into the game, you go into the server list. Oh, there's nobody playing or whatever. Oh, I don't want to join any of these people. Let me create my own. You have the size, put on friends only or whatever. 5 players true, friends only is true. You go into the side, you invite your friends. You can't spam invite them because otherwise they would spew downward, but you can't. They reject you and it's like, oh, whatever, nothing happens. Oh shit, it doesn't turn false. Oh, shiza. That's a problem. Oh, okay. Shiza. That is a problem. Okay. Wait. Response? I should have a response remote, no? Yeah, I do. So let me go into here. Let me place the response remote into... No. Well, let me see. Fires, connects. Okay, and then this one will be another connect. So now we're going to do that on client event connect the function. All it's going to be doing is going to be invites person inviting is equal to false to nil. Wait, this might have to just think. This will just have to be here, and then the server responding player answer party leader user ID. So now instead of invites with the person inviting, should be person inviting dot user ID. Okay. So now the person inviting that user ID. So now we can do that user ID. Well, we can actually just we'll just get sent the user ID here. So responding remote. No matter what, responding remote that fire client with the responding player, and then the party leader user ID. So this gets the user ID and block. So that should work now. So what we're gonna now, we gotta test it out. So here, friends only, yada yada, do this, rejects, and the player does not want to join, and they'll remove it if the player joins or whatever. Then it does that. Okay. 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 So that works. No, I can't use that one. Damn, I really need more loot, guys. Anyways, so there's gonna be other problems that are gonna arise, as in if you accidentally join a party, you're gonna still get the invite lobby remote thing, right? So it's still gonna be like, oh, you joined the game, whatever, yada yada. Still a problem. I'm gonna need to figure something out for that. Is there anything else I need to figure out for this? Okay, so I think oh, sorry guys. Let me take a sip of water. Okay. So what is another problem that's gonna happen to us, huh? What is another problem that I'm going to be having with this? Yo, the Black Friday's done. All the Black Friday is gone. It's disappeared. Nada. No longer here. Damn. Damn, bro. Everything's so expensive now. Oh yeah, I also bought a Steam Deck. No, I'm kidding. I didn't buy the Steam Deck. It just ended up coming with the package. So I didn't buy it. It just came with the package that I got. From Linus Tech Tips. Linus Tech Tip actually had a really good really good thing. Purchase item. I don't know. I had a really good item. How about that? You could buy the Arc Room. It's a cable tie setup, and you'd get an Elgato Steam Deck MK2 for free with it. And honestly, I was gonna buy that either ways. I was gonna buy one of the things for it because I wanted actually some of these arches and stuff. I just didn't know which one I wanted and stuff. But yeah, I was gonna buy these arches already. That was already gonna set me back like $60-$80, maybe even $100. And so I was like, you know what? Linus is already this Black Friday sale where I get a free Elgato Stream Deck and I get all of the cable ties that I would possibly need, and it gives me the plates, and it gives me the straps. I was like, wow, I'm gonna just buy this. Because I needed, if I was gonna buy the plates, I would also need to buy the, if I was gonna need to buy the cable management stuff, I would also need to buy the plates for it. And so that's already like 20, 30. So that's like 30 bucks each. So yeah, 30, 60, 90, 120. So I would have spent like about $120 on that alone. But then the Arc Room was going on sale and it had the free Stream Deck. And so I was like, I pulled the trigger. It's just like an extra 50 bucks. And I was like, fuck it. I'll just buy this one. It comes with a free Stream Deck, comes with all the necessary plates, comes with all of the cable tie management, comes with all the straps. Hell yeah. I'll just buy it. Like, fuck yeah, just give me that shit. So I bought that. And let's see when it comes in. Is it also, by the way, this Linus Tech Tip, where's the company, where did this company ship from? Linus Tech Store. Where does it come from? Out of the States? Because I did get foreign transaction free. Oh yeah. So Linus Tech Tips is in Canada? Oh. Oh, so they are Canadian, huh? Oh, okay. So they're from Canada. Very interesting. Huh. Did I buy them from Canada? That's weird. It's weird. Whatever. That's okay. I mean, I got it. So screw it. It's fine. Alrighty. So I'm getting distracted like crazy, guys. I'm being so distracted. I need to stop being distracted. Anyways, but yeah, so I got Stream Deck coming in soon. I mean, I do have a lot of Elgato stuff, so that's fine. Like, I already have the Wave XLR, so you know, it's fine, right? I have a Shure SM7B, not SM7B, my bad. I'm pretty sure it's not SM7B. I forgot what it's called, but I do have a Shure mic, Rode podcast, not Rode podcast. The fuck, Rode Arm, the one that a whole bunch of streamers use. Have a keyboard, have a nice mouse pad now, have a nice mouse, getting a new keyboard to come in, even though this wooting's pretty good. I do like this wooting. I just want it to be 80%, 75% instead of it being 100%. But 100% is useful for me though, because I do like other stuff. I don't know where I'm gonna place this wooting. I had to figure it out. Anyways, I had to figure everything out, guys. That's all it is. Slowly but surely, figure it out, right? As I always say at the end of my streams, man, eventually things will get better. So it's just a waiting game. I'm just kidding, nothing's bad for me, so it doesn't even matter. I don't even have anything that's bad for me. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Low. Okay. So, let's see. Invite client remote. So yeah, once it gets the response, it just Eyes. Radius. Ooh. Does not seem like a bad idea. Oh my god, it's 20. So much. I'm a poor man. I don't have money for that. What the hell? Anyways. So I should probably start making the system work, aka the party side. So if I start the game right now, so here you create the party, change it, whatever, yada yada, invite. So I should be over here. When a player joins, it should be over here. So I should move them over here and delete this one. Okay. Okay, so how would I start getting into that? That's the question. That is the question, guys. That is the question. How do I start getting into this? Okay. So I'm just listening to something else, so that way you guys can't hear it. I'm making sure y'all can't hear it, because I would get in trouble otherwise. Okay. Should be fine. Yo, I ended up dying. Okay. So now my question shall be answered. This guys, I should say I need my question to be answered now. So what is it? You know, what if I there you go. Now I can't hear the music, but you guys can hear it still. Yay! Let me just make sure I put on loop playlist, just in case it doesn't, you know, it keeps going through. Okay, so what I need to do is grab all of this. I'm gonna remove the game audio for me too. There we go. Now, I don't even hear the game either. No distractions. Okay. So, I need... let's not make it so that way the player goes on the other side immediately, so that way I can keep testing, because I'm gonna need to keep running test for inviting players. Myself. Inviting myself. So inviting myself in that regard. Let's see. So do it, and now I think about it, do all my streams say that they're on Roblox Studio? Now that I think about it, guys, I don't think so, do they? What game does it say it's on? God, that's something I probably should look at. That is probably something I should look at. Whatever. I'm not gonna be able to look at it right now. So, just ignore it. Because I'm not gonna be able to look at it right now. So, just ignore that. Okay. So, what is it that I'm trying to do, guys? So when a player, right? So response, if the answer is true, then the player wants to join. Local player, table that insert the player, prints out the party. So, GUI wise, okay. Maybe the response remote should be true or false. Maybe it should send the true or false, huh? So, okay, let's do this. Let's do this, guys. So I'm just gonna plop, delete all of these. Okay, thank God I didn't mess up. Go into here. Go into here. And then we're going to say if answer is equal to true, then else return and do nothing. If the answer is true though, then we have to do the changes to the stuff. So what does that mean for me? That means when it is changed to, so when it is full, do I have it inside of here? What is it called? So here's the create party, invite holder frame, party menu. Yeah, okay. So do I have I have the party menu, server list frame. What is this one? Party menu dot server list. Party menu dot server list player frame. Oh no, that's not. I have two party menus. Oh, that's not good. Main GUI party menu. Party asset. Okay, why did I? Okay, you know what? It's true. This should be called party assets instead of party menu. That should be called party assets. So party menu. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, those are all fine. So those are all fine. I don't know why I said party menu. That should be called party assets. My brain, guys, my brain. Okay, so now we have the party menu. So we need players and server, and then we have the server list somewhere, right? Or do we just... Okay, so we just call it here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go up here and go local server list, players holder, party menu, server list is equal to this. And then we're going to do another one, local party menu, party list is equal to this, except this instead of server list is going to be players and party. So now we're going to just delete that, do that. Is there anywhere else this is used? No. Okay. So now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna actually probably need both of these, honestly. So let's do, oops. Oh. Here we're gonna separate all of these out. So this is gonna be party menu, in main GUI screen things. Let's sort out all my locals because there's like a lot of spaces in between them. So here it's going to be lobbies and server list. Okay. Lobbies inside created lobbies inside the server. So that's what this is all about. This ones are going to be tables to keep track of things. So those are tables to keep track of things. Tables to keep track of things. Tables to keep track of things. This is going to this is just the main GUI. I don't need a description for that. Lobby button. What is this? Why do I need this? Open lobby. This is probably something I need for... Yeah, open lobby button. So this is going to need another function. Function GUI controller module dot show lobby button. Equal to, well, wait. So this is just party menu, but this one is the lobby button itself. It's going to bring in a bool. It's going to be the same exact thing as this, basically, except this one is, okay, so this is going to be called buttons. We're going to have a whole the buttons in that section, I guess. So lobby button. There we go. So now here we're going to be needing the GUI controller. So let's go down here, modules, local GUI controller module is equal script dot parent dot GUI state GUI controller module. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do require. So we're going to require it. So here, instead of this, what we're going to do is GUI module dot show dot lobby button, show lobby button with true. So now what it's going to be doing is it's going to be doing, I don't know. It's going to be enabling it to show the lobby button. So what is this? What is this one in? Party created? Oh, okay. This party created, party menu. Okay. Oops. Invite frames. Invited frames, buttons. Server list? I don't know. Just name it server list, I guess. Here's a local player. I don't know what I'm doing. Ugh. You know, this is probably like completely useless. This probably doesn't do anything for us at all. But you know what? That's fine. That is a-okay, guys. But it doesn't do much. It's fine. It is fine. It is fine. Oh my god, I keep hitting my microphone stand. Because right, like, it's down. I don't know if it's... Nah, it's definitely not long enough to do that. Yeah, okay. I need to, like, change the location of my microphone stand, guys. You know, why don't I have it do this? What the hell? I think I did have it do this. Why did I change this? What the what is wrong with me, guys? And then turn it a little bit. There we go. There we go. That's a lot nicer. I'll tell you that much. That's a lot nicer. I mean, granted, I'm still gonna hit my microphone stand, but whatever. So, now that we have this, basically what this is going to be doing is server list player flame, server list player frame. Where does this server list player frame go into? Huh? So we clone it here. Players and list for the player, but this should probably be the user ID. I really need to stop using player. I need to use like the player user ID. So once that has happened, you know, I should check that shit out. Let me check this out quick. Oops. If the answer is equal to true, It's fine. It is fine. So, if answer is equal to true, then we have to find. Damn it. Wait. Client. Okay, so it is. So this would send it because this is the client side receiving it. So now, players in list. This has to be called player and server list. Oops. Yeah, that has to be called player and server list, because that terminology is getting a little bit confusing. I was like, players and list, what does that even mean? But there's going to be a difference between players in the server list and players in the party. Do I want to do it like that though? Have players in the party as well? Because if I have players in the party as well, there would be a bunch of... So, god damn it. No, I need to keep track of it either ways. Okay, so yeah, so players, local players, and party list. I think I'm going to have to do this. You know, dude, I'm just recreating the other one. Is there not a better way to do this? Am I forced to just do this? Let me be honest, I don't know. Maybe I am just forced to do this. Maybe there's no choice on my end. Because, I mean, it is better organized. I will say, this system's a lot better organized than my other system. Tell you that much. It definitely is. Definitely is. I think after an hour, so once we hit the hour mark, I'm gonna go and get some water and use the bathroom. But I'm trying to think. So if we do so send list data, send server list data is going to be captured no matter what. So then here it's gonna have to actually be, because we have the players and party list, that's a table, right? So we have this table of all the players in the party. Oh wow, that actually works a lot better. How come I didn't think about this? Wow, maybe I'll stop hitting my freaking microphone now. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Lol, my bad. So, oh, I died. I need more health, to be honest. So, wait, maybe I can do this shortcut on this guy. It might be possible. No, never mind. Never mind. The shortcuts for locals. So, because this needs to know. So when the player answers, right, if it goes into the response remote, right? So, oh, hey, look, the player wants to join your team or does not want to join your team. That's why the answer's there, right? A party server, the response on this party, the server side already works. This does not matter at all. If they don't want to be in it, it doesn't do anything, right? Of course, it doesn't do anything. If it does want to do something though, then it should remove them from this one. So players and server list slash responding players. Yeah, responding player slash destroy. So what this actually what I'm gonna be doing here is local. I mean, so let's do this. If then destroy do equal to nil. That's a lot of them. Okay, so let's do it. So local server list responding is equal to this. So now for this, we're just gonna do boom, boom, boom. Then we're going to put him into the, and we're going to table.insert this with the responding player. That should just work. Right? That should just work, right? So we are responding to the so whenever the player is added or removed from the game, it sends this remote. When it hits this remote, it checks what to do, which is removing and or create one. When it creates one, it'll do all of this, it'll clone it. This is checking if it's the client themselves or not, which currently we have disabled for testing purposes. So this is all being used off of the player. So this would have to be dot user ID. So that had to be user ID. Need to remember my identifications are in user ID. Need to make sure I don't forget that. I gotta see one. AoE cone. Minus 25% AoE cone. Wow. Kinda don't want it to be like that though. I'll just sell it. Yeah, I'll just sell it. Ow, I'm taking a lot of damage. Eee, I just got double angled on that one. Anyways. Response. Okay, so. And then if we're removing it, like, you know, we had to send serverless data. If we're removing the player from it, what we're doing is we're just going to destroy it and set this to nil. It's equal to nil. That's exactly what we're doing. So we're going to send it to nil. That is what we're going to be doing. I'm going to send that to nil. And then... And look, the 1 hour mark hit. Okay. Let me figure out what I'm going to do first, and then we can go. I'll go get more water and stuff. So... This has to then make the... Wait! Wait. Let's go up here. Instead of destroying this, change the parent to the... Oh, but there's a kick button. I need a kick button though. Whoops. That's why I didn't create a kick button. Whoopsies. Okay, so change the parent to the... Okay, I think it popped in my brain, guys. So change the parent to the players and party list, and then also enable the kick button if this local player is the party leader. Something like that. Okay. I think I kind of got it though. So, oops. Did I just pause it? I did. That's not my bad, guys. Okay. I will be going to go get some water real fast and use a bathroom break. So, I will be right back. Let me grab Let me grab you. Place this into here. Place this into here. Put down there. Okay, bathroom break. Alright, I'll be right back. Man, I was gone for a while. Sorry, guys. That was quite a while. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back, though. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Let me do my... No. This Berserker DNA. Berserker DNA is not bad. She's fine with Berserker DNA. So it tends to hit random stuff. Random stuff go. Anyways. And we're back to here. So, here it is. It needs to get destroyed, right? There it does get destroyed because, well, it gets destroyed. Well, why wouldn't it? It's code. This actually is going to need another else if, because this is going to need the else if it's inside of this one. Player.user ID then. And basically it's going to be the same thing. It says destroy it. Destroy it. Yes, that's how you spell destroy. And then it turns into no. God, that's horrible. Maybe I should change it. Local. Well, now that I think about it, I should probably do this instead. Let's do this. So what to do? Destroy. Else if so what we're going to be doing is local listing is equal to or that. Is that how you do this again? Let me go look at my picture quick. I had it in my pictures. Is this how you do it again? Yeah. Or how does that even work again? How does that work? It says and or I don't know. This should work. Okay, this should work. How I'm thinking about. Okay. Now I should just be able to do listing at destroy, and then a listing is equal to no. Should work like this, right? Because it should only ever be in one or the other. Yeah. Should ever only be in one or the other. So now that we have that, So instead of destroying this, server list responding. Okay. So this gets this is actually going to be the server list frame. It's going to be the frame listing. So that's going to be the frame listing. And we can probably delete this. And then we can do frame listing dot parent is equal to the, what is it called, hey? The party menu player list. Then this guy is equal to nil. And players and party. Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. Players and party list is responding player dot user ID is equal to frame listing. Okay, there we go. That's what was fucked up. I knew something was fucked up. I just didn't know what it was. I didn't know what it was exactly. But there we go. That should have fixed it. Should have. Honestly, I don't know. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know. Should have fixed it though. Should have. So what it's doing here is it is once you respond to the person, it will cancel the invite remote. So it'll be like, okay, the person has responded. Now you can create a, like, you know, this right here, right? Now you can do another one, invite remote. Now it'll send another one. However, now it looks at the answer. So it says, hey, what did the player say? Here, the player is saying, I would like to join your party. And so now that it's saying, I would like to join your party, it is going to, now that it's saying that I would like to join the party, it is now going to, it's now going to grab the frame listing from the player server and server list. It's going to make the players and party list the frame listing, right? It's gonna do that shenanigans. It's gonna change the parent, and then it's going to make it so the players and server list no longer goes to the frame listing. Maybe this will work. Let's test it out. Let's see how many errors I get, guys. I got an error. I don't know what is wrong. Table index is nil. Does send the party leader user ID, right? Is responding. Okay, let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Responding remote. Responding remote. So this is firing to the server. So the server is firing back with the party leader user ID, the answer, and the player. Here is responding player, the answer, party leader user ID. This just worked. Why is this not working no more? Invites. It's a party leader user ID. Yeah. Okay. You know what we're gonna do here? We're going to do print out invites if then you can do that. And okay, let's see what's the problem with this. Okay, server listing, create, invite, join. Yeah, so God damn it. It's because it's the number? What? This should not be having a problem. This should not be having a problem at all. This really should not be having a problem, guys. Party leader user ID. This seriously should not be having a problem. I don't know. It's nil. Fuck. That's why it's having a problem right there. It's sending nil. For what reason are you sending nil? Shake one down, shake it out. Fuck. Responding player. Answer. Party. It's sending 3. Why is this having an error? Why is this having an error? Why is this having an error? I don't get it. Oops, don't look at that. I don't get it. Why is it having an error? Why is it having an error? You fix one code, fix it up, and now there's 909 errors involved. Why is the responding player not inside of this thing? Oh. Because... Whoopsies. Do I need the responding player? Yes, I do. So. There we go. 99 errors in the code. There's 99 errors in the code. You fix one out, get it out. There's 109 errors in the game. Fucking coding now. Yay. That's how it feels, I guess. It's legit how it feels. 99 errors in the code. There's 99 errors in the code. Take one out, get it out, fix it out, and now there's 109 errors in the code. Woo! Okay, this should work now. Because look at that. Should work. Now, needs to change the button, right? There we go. There we go. And invites has that. I knew there was something wrong with that. The reason why that had that error is because it sends it to the local player, which is the responding player. You know, instead of this, couldn't I just... Wait a minute. What am I doing, guys? I have to do this. So I could just do this. Never mind. No, I can't. Wait. Wait. Sorry. I cannot do that. Because here, what it's supposed to be is for index player member in party leader dot players do Wait. Let's think about this a little bit. This, I think this goes here. This would go here with this, with this. Because this response, so this response remote isn't just for the one person, it's for all of them. Unless it is just for, unless they reject it, which is, then it would just be for that one person, because then it doesn't need anything else for the other ones. So this should be working correctly. So if I invite and reject, invite and reject, invite and join, it should switch it off. And I just got an error though. Try attempt to index nil with parent frame listing. But it worked. But like, it worked. Oh, but that's probably because of doing it twice. Yeah, I did it twice in a row. That's why I aired out right there. Because I have two me's. Yeah. So it sent the remote twice, which should not be a problem. Later, that should not be a problem inside of the game. Because you're not going to have that ability to send it twice. So, should be okay. So that that error should not happen inside of the actual game. That error only happens because I'm testing it. That's what it is. That's why that error occurs. So everything else should be okay though. We should be a-okay to do whatever we want. So, okay, so that kind of works. The fact is though that this server listing frame has an invite button. This also though oops. This frame does also need though another button, and call this kick button. And so invite remote, this should be called remote. This should be called kick remote. So now the kick remote shall fire kick button local script show. Now that it has the kick button local script, so it should fire that instead. Okay, so and then this button should be red, and it should have the kick. So upon it being, we're going to just toggle that. Print should kick the player out So let's make this not visible. Let's make this visible. Okay, that looks nice. That looks good. So now we're gonna copy this, delete this, go into here, delete this, paste into there. So now upon it changing, frame parent dot invite button dot visible is equal to false. Pretty sure it's visible. Oops. Frame listening that. Yeah, visible dot kick button dot visible is equal to true. So now this should work. Hopefully nothing broke. There we go. Baby, bada bing, bada boom, baby. That's nice. Nah. So nah and nah. And now I need to figure out some stuff. So I'm just checking that stream quick, seeing make sure everything looks nice and good, not anything is broken. God, I really need to stop like doing that lep shit. I need to learn how to shut the fuck up. That's what it is, guys. It's me checking the stream, guys. Lol. No. Now, what do I need, guys? So, kind of working. So, kick button doesn't work, right? Kick button doesn't work, but that's something I'll have to deal with. Kick button doesn't work, but that's something I'll have to deal with. So now that we have, so the kick button doesn't work, right? But granted, that makes sense because I don't have a kick system implemented into the game yet. I need... Is that all I really need to do? Is kick system? Now I think about it, is that all I need to do now? Kick system. And then... I guess. Maybe. Is that really all I need to do? I don't know. I don't know, guys. So let me think about it. So let's play the game. That's what I should do. I should play the game and see what it is. So, oh look, there's all the lobbies. There's no lobbies I want to join. Let me create my own. Friends only. I only have 3 people I want to play with. Never mind. I don't want to make it. Never mind. I do want to make it. Oh, it does save the data too. That's not bad. Okay, let's create it. Okay, so I've created it. So there's only 3 people can be in here. There's only 1 player in here currently. So. Okay, and let's invite my friend. Oh, he rejected it. Oh, let me, my bad. Let me. I should probably put a rejection. No. You know, no. I'm fucking lazy. I'm not gonna put a rejection thing in here. I'm fucking lazy. Why should I? I'm not gonna do that. I ain't gonna put a rejection thing inside of this. I am a lazy man. So I'm not gonna do that. I won't do that. So he joins. Oh, he joined us. Okay, yada. Kick him. You can kick him, whatever. You can leave. And then start. Oh my god. Okay, I still have quite a bit. I guess we make the kick button work for now. For today. Let's make the kick button work. Gosh, so we need to make the kick button work. Today's Wednesday. Lord. Today's already Wednesday, guys. Tomorrow I gotta get ready to go to work. Crazy. Crazy. Maybe I can finish this today. I might be able to finish this today. Okay. So let's make the kick button work. So the kick button has a kick remote, which should send to the... I don't need you. These 2 I need to make work too. But the kick button should... So... do this kick player server. Give me this... Going to here, going to here, going to here. Dot on server event connect the function. So upon it being kicked, invited player. This isn't the invited player though. This would be... button.parent. Let's see. Button.parent. So this guy. Okay. True. So this would be called kicked player instead. So kicked player. The kicked player. Inside of once the player is kicked, what it's going to be doing is we need actually. Scheiße. I need the party he's in. No, I need the party he's in. Oh no. Fuck. Oh wait. This should be in this guy, right? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, huh? God damn it. So party menu? Oh, I could just do that. Okay, so the button, so local party leader ID is equal to button dot parent. So button dot parent, right? Button dot parent dot parent dot get attribute. So it should get here. Party leader user ID. Should work like that. Because this should be that. So then it should send it to the server. Once the server gets it, it should print out all of the things. Party leader user, party leader ID. So it should get all of them. Let's test it out. Okay. So parent, so it is. That's not the leader user ID. Wait a minute. That's not the user ID. Do I not have like a set attribute for this? Huh? Do I not have a set attribute? Got the achievement burst mastery. What the hell? What the hell is burst mastery? Oh, I see. Okay. This is really? Do I really not have anything that's setting this user ID? Okay, how about this then? Party menu. I don't care about the client side. Scheiße, I didn't do that yet. Ah, damn it. So I need a client. I need it on the client side. Shoot. So I need this on the client side. Okay, I'll think about this in a bit. Let me go do a bathroom break. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go do bathroom break. Alrighty, sorry I was gone for so long. Whew. Had to do some other stuff too. Oh, I don't want to get my mouse pad too wet. Okay, so this, go into you, so you. Take this. Leveled up. Nice. $19. I need at least 26 for an extra loot. So let's just let it keep running. Now, what we need is... what did I say we need to do in this now? Damn it. These are partly the user ID. Which is... oh yeah. It's this guy. It's gonna be in this guy, where we're gonna be changing some stuff. Yeah. Gosh. I'm becoming tired. I'm just kidding. Not yet. It's not even that late yet. What am I talking about? It's not even that late. Now, where is it? I think it's this. All right. No. It says a response remote. Players and server list. Party menu. So here, what we're going to be doing is party menu that set attribute party leader user ID to the party leader user ID. See, I don't know where in the hell I set this. Party menu, play the user ID. Okay. Okay. Hey. Oh no. Disappeared. Oh no. Hey, what the hell? What is happening to my Roblox Studio? Oh, fuck me. Okay, we're resetting this. Damn, Roblox Studio. It's all messed up. Oh, wrong screen. Damn, Roblox Studio, guys. It's all messed up again. Okay. Now, this should work as intended. Should work as intended. Why is it the boss of game in the boss of game? God damn it, guys. You know what? I should do this. I should do this. This should be it. I don't know what's happening. Fuck. It needs to be one more. Okay. There we go. That's the problem. There we go. Needed to be one more. But it's still fucking showing the boss of gaming. Why the fuck are you showing the boss a game, man? You should be a fucking... This should be numbers. Am I crazy? Oh. My bad, y'all. I'm a fucking idiot. I keep forgetting that. This is nil. Why are you nil? Sorry, guys. I forgot that this is how it's supposed to go. That's how it's supposed to go. Ugh, my head hurts for some reason. No. Party menu, party menu. Party leader. Leaders. Fucking bastard. It's supposed to be leaders. Leaders. Maybe that's why. Oh my god, it's still broken. I fucking hate Roblox Studio. It's still broken. It's not showing up for me. There we fucking go. There we go. Now it's working. Here we can delete. We can delete this and this, and then now we have all the necessary data that we needed. Now we're good to go. My lord, man. My lordy lord, lord, lord. Lordy lord, lord. This is so goddamn confusing. Okay. So now that we have everything we needed, now we have to do parties. Yes. Party leader user, party leader ID. So this has to be local party is equal to this party if kicked player if no. So if the player sending the remote does not equal to the party.owner, then warn this player cannot kick out the player due to not being the owner. Right? So this is just a warning, just in case something like maybe somebody accidentally can see the kick button. I made it so I'm gonna put this in here so that way they cannot if they're not the person, they cannot kick that, they cannot kick them out. That is what I want for this one right here. So now 20. Look at that. It's at 20, guys. That's good. So now so table dot yeah, no. So what I have to do is, luckily I print this out. Player. So if for index member in party, no, party dot players do if member dot user ID is equal to the kicked player dot user ID, then equal to this, then table dot remove index with the party dot players, party dot players. You know what? Wait, let me switch to this weapon quick. Nope. Okay. So return for the index field. So I do if the member's user ID equals the kick player's user ID, then table that remove them. The index that I'm currently on player. So this is just removing them from the players. And then I think I'm going to need one to be on the server. Oh, jeez. Why? No. Fine. There we go. Jesus Christ, dude. That was broken. So server. And then the server is going to need to fire it back. So then we go into here. Kick remote. That on client event connect the function. So on the client side, we're going to need to know who the kicked player is. That's all we should know, right? That's all we should need to know. Fire client to the member with the information of the kicked player. So once the kicked player, so then players and party list, players and parties list, the kicked player.user ID. And we're gonna tag this as a player. Equal to nil. Well, actually, no. This is what this should be doing. Is it should be doing the opposite of this. So it should be doing local frame listing is equal to user IDs, players, and server list is equal to the frame listing. Frame listing dot parent is going to be equal to the party menu server list. Frame listing dot. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this, and then we'll just switch them around. So this is gonna be true. This one's going to be false, and then so we're gonna have this. Set this up to nil. Set this one to this, except so that would be that. So I think this should be working properly. So if I go into here, create, invite, join, kick. Argument to remove table expected got number. Oh, oops. I did it wrong then. How does table dot remove work then? Table dot remove. Remove works by a table and a position. Oh, oops. So it's just the opposite. That's what it is. Should work now. Attempt to index nil with parent. So player's name will kick to player, party leader's ID. So it says that this is nil. Well, you know, maybe I should do this. I should do that. I think if I do that, it'll stop lagging, messing up, because now should be no one in there. So now you can join it and kick it. Join. It's because I didn't. Whoops. So invite person. Kick remote. Oops. This is supposed to do this. Kicked player dot user IP. That's what that's supposed to do. My bad. So now this should be working, no problem. So you create one, you invite a player, then you can kick them. Invite, kick, you reject. Invite, kick. Whoo! Okay, that works quite as intended. So that is how I want it to work. So this works out for me. It's not bad at all, guys. So I only get 22, so I need 4 more. 4 more. 4 more. Okay. Okay. So, it works. This works. This works. How do I want this to now work even more? That's a good question. That's a really good question, guys. So the start button. I don't think we should work on the start button because the start button's going to be completely different. It's going to have to change. I think the start button's only going to work inside of the actual game itself due to the teleportation service that I'm going to have to be using. So, well, oh, don't mind that. Sorry. So, probably have to wait on that one. I won't lie. Probably have to wait on that one. I mean, we can do the leave button. So the leave button would work, and how? So the leave button will work in two different ways. If the party leader is leaving, then then the whole party should just disable itself, right? The whole party should just completely break. It should get deleted, basically. If it's not the party leader, then the player should just leave, right? The player should just leave the party. He'll basically just kick himself off the party. Yeah, I mean that's basically what it is, right? When the leave button is clicked, it's basically him just kicking himself off the party. Yeah, that's all it is. So So, I need a remote. Probably need another remote called player leaving remote. So, party leaving remote, party leaving remote. These are locals, bruh. These ain't no remotes. The hell? Okay. Remotes, local, party, leaving, remotes equal to replicated storage that remotes that party player leaving remote. So upon this, stop having that enter shit. Yeah, so just this fire server with the local player and then the user ID So it should go into U. Once it goes into U, that on server event connect the function. It should have these two here. So these two here. My God, my eyes! I should have an eye break. Alright, let's do eye rest. Oh. Just realized eye rest doesn't have the game. Sorry guys. Let me grab this. Put that into there. There you go. My eyes. Okay. They hurt. They do quite hurt. Straining my eyes out like crazy, bro. I'm so blind, guys. I'm so absolutely blind that I can't do much. Whew. Damn eyes. Why do I gotta be born blind, guys? I don't want to be born blind. I wish I had 20/20 vision. Especially because then I can actually see resolution and stuff. I do have glasses, but I don't want to use them. I don't like using my glasses. I just want to be able to use it without them, you know? Just rest my eyes for a bit. That's all we have to do. We're just gonna rest my eyes. But yeah, so this is actually kind of almost done. We actually don't have a lot more to do for this. The best thing that we probably have to do for a lot of this stuff is just some like miscellaneous stuff, some really annoying things that like if cases or finishing up a little bit of the functionality, and then we should be done. Okay, I'm back. We back. Yeah, we should actually almost be done here. So, user ID. So we're gonna have this go to here, go to here. So with this, we're gonna do U. We're gonna do U. Print local player dot name, because this is going to be a player who wants to leave. Player who wants to leave that name wants to leave the party. If player wants to leave that user ID is equal to the party leader user ID, then print is the party leader, so party should be disbanded. Else, oops, copy that first. Else, we will simply, ooh, what is this? Trident. Oh, okay. We got a D tier trident. God damn. I got fast on bullets go now. Wow. How much to ascension? 23. I only need 3 more ascension. That's all I need. Just 3 more. 3 more. 3 more, babies. 3 more. Anyways. So now that we have all of this set up, what we're going to be doing is... So, party leaving. So now we just... basically just do this. If I'm not wrong. We could probably just do that, right? So, create. Whoops. Index now, so the party. Damn it. So here. Print out player who wants to leave and then the party leader user ID. Check out what's happening here. Plop, 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 plop. God damn it. I think it's because... Oh yeah. Because I have to do that. That's... I forgot! I keep forgetting. It sends the player already. I don't need to send the player ID. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. So, now, what we're going to do though, get rid of this, get rid of this, and then so what we're going to be doing is we're going to create one, because we have that, you know, that drawback there. Invite, join, leave. Boss Gaming wants to leave the party. And so now, he just left because it's just the same thing, same exact thing. Nice. Oh, so much more smoother than my other one, bro. Dude, my other one that I created is so much less smoother than this, dude. This is buttery smooth, man. This is quite buttery smooth. I like this, guys. I like this. I like this. Hunter room. Nah. My gosh, bro, you guys have no idea how annoying this type of stuff was when you literally just suffered with it. Like, there was like nothing you can do, bro. But this is nice now. This is real nice. This is actually really, 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 really nice. So now the leave button works now. Party created works. Now the question is, what works inside of the multiplayer? What works inside of multiplayer? Oh, shiza. Okay, don't do that. Don't. Okay. So here. There we go. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to switch my coding to be display capture. That could be bad. Don't fucking do that, please. Thank God I have this on studio mode. If you guys saw what that was, I did instant banned. Instant banned, bro. That was scary. Holy, that was scary. Oops. Yeah, I would have got instant banned on that one, guys. Okay. So this should be okay. So now we're gonna transaction that. And then we're gonna do server and clients. 2 servers. And then the 2 clients gonna show up here. So that way you guys can see what the clients are. And then I just get rid of all of this. So this should be working as intended. So we're gonna create a party. So see, only player 2 is in there. Once I click sing, I can just reject it. I can say no, go away. So I can join it. Fuck. Attempt to index nil. Ah, damn it. It's still saying that this is nil. Okay. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go okay, we're just gonna print these out. Response, send server, invite, kick. Print out server list. No. Players and server list. Players and party list. Don't need that. Do need this though. Do that. Okay. I think I know what the issue. Oh. Actually, I think the issue might be this. No, it won't. It can't be that. I lied. It cannot be that. There's no way it's that because the players are not leaving the server, so there's no way for this to have an effect at all. Sorry, guys. I lied. I lied about that one. Okay, so let's simply print out stuff. So create. What? Is it these? It's causing a problem? Oh. You know what this problem is? This problem probably is... This problem is probably... It's probably due to the fact that these aren't tables. Fuck! So they do have to be tables because otherwise, how does it know about the players that are already inside of the server? Fuck, dude. Ah, fuck. Okay. That's probably why I made it tables, huh? So we're gonna have to do this. Well, so this has to be local players in server. We go to a table. Oops, I accidentally opened a GitHub. So in here, what we're gonna have to do is table.add insert this the players, and then down here we're going to do table. No, let's not do that. So it will be players and server, this player dot user ID, because this is a fucking player, which I hate that I have to type that out because this should fucking know that this is a goddamn player. Let's go to the player, and so now let's equal to no, and then we send players and server. So now inside of here, what we do is player list for index players person in player list do yeah, if what to do is equal to true, then do this, else destroy the list. Get rid of all of this. So all of these players just have to get renamed to person. Okay. And now maybe this should work. Player list. This should work now. Now this should work. It should work fine. Hopefully. Oh, wait. My bad. I need to do that. Okay. So this should work just fine now. So now should yep. Player 1. Now it's player 2. Ah, scheiße. Fuck. That's what I thought. Scheiße. Wait. If I need another if statement here because I need to go. So if it is the local player, don't make a frame. And if exist, then print frame already exists. Don't create another one. And then return end. So it's players in frame, or this. There we go. Maybe. I don't know. I'll have to see if this works. Oh, in a way that I want it to. I don't know. Still need one more ascension. God damn it, guys. Do this. Switch it around. Oops. Whatever. That's fine. So, this is not the client themselves. Create a server list. This is not the client themselves. So not this. It's not the client themselves. Fuck! What is... Oh, what is happening? Why is it doing this? Scheiße, man. God damn it. Fucking hell. Okay. So it only has one player. This is the client themselves. Did I make a serverless thing? No, there's two. This is the client themselves. Did I not make a serverless thing? Why? This shouldn't... Oh, is the return end breaking it? What? That wouldn't make sense. So basically, I'm saying this is the player themselves. Go back. So it finishes this guy. And it goes to the next one. Then it should create another one. Okay. What we're gonna do is print out person. Then print out person. This is the wrong test. Lol. Oh, I'm still in display capture too. Okay, it works out. Works out in my favor. Okay. Come on. There they go. So, let's see. Player list. Player 1. Player 1. This is the player. Player 2. Player 2. So create a serverless frame. Okay. Player 1. Player 1. This is the player. Dynamically serverless frame. Okay. Player 1. Player 1. Yeah, that's the issue right there. See? That's the issue right there. Sorry, guys. Anyways, so that is the problem right there. It's not going through. It's only going player 1, and then returning and. So it is quitting this. Why are you quitting this though? Okay. So it shouldn't be. I can't have it be returned end then. I'm assuming. Is that where my problem is? I can't have it be return end. Is that what my problem is, guys? There we go, 26. So now, upgrade. Loot capacity. There we go, guys. I do want the bounce weapon, though. The bounce weapon seems pretty good. There we go. Now I can have one more equipment inside of the game. Anyways, so return end is breaking the thing. It's not... Okay, wait. So you can either return, or how do I... Okay. I got to do break. Break. Is it like break end? Oh yeah, because it's if then. Okay, maybe this will work out now. Maybe. 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 Let's see. Let's see if this works out. Let's see. Oh, hell nah. My friend's talking about Deadlock. New character. New character, bro. God, that's gonna be horrible. I should really stream Deadlock too, man. I just haven't been playing Deadlock. Okay, so let's look at all of the scripts, right? That's happening. So player 1 and 2, player 1, this is the player themselves, do not break, so then no should just break out, and then it goes to player 2, this is not the client. Server list. Okay. And it goes. Player 1. Okay. Client themselves. Okay. Okay. And then it gets another one. Player 1. Fuck! Why are you still not working? Jesus Christ. Fuck, bro. I don't know why he's doing this. So... Okay, fuck this shit. I'm gonna go look at my other ones. My god. There we go. Jesus Christ. I gotta change that. Scary, guys. Gotta change that. Scary. Could have been bad. Completely forgot. Completely forgot. Completely forgot to change it up. I forgot to change it up. Okay. So now we're gonna go into this one. How did I do this? Huh? Do I do the same thing? Okay. User ID. Okay, so what I'm gonna do So we're going to so if I have to add the player, then if not, or then go, then it'll go. Or it's this, then you can go. Else, destroy the lister. Fuck it, we're gonna do that. All right, let's see how this works out. So, home. Let's see how this works out, guys. Let us see how this works out. 99 problems. Break one down, bring it down. 99 problems in the wall. Okay, so let's see. Oops. Player one, show this is not the client themselves. Create a circle list. Fuck! Wait, I don't think this is supposed to be ors. Not. And. Maybe that's how it works. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Player one, controller module long time. This is not the client themselves. Create. Fucking hell. No. Oh wait, no. Okay, yes. Player two. God damn it! Yeah, it's showing themselves. Ah! Damn it! Showing themselves. Showing themselves. Showing themselves. And I don't know. God. For every player inside of the game, for every single player inside of the list, if we're adding the player, then we will check if they don't exist. So does this not exist, or does this not exist? This has to be and is this not the local player? If it is not, okay, maybe that was the problem. Maybe that was the problem, guys. Maybe that was the problem. I think maybe that was a problem right there. Because I need all of them to exist in that section. So let's see. Player 1. Oh my god, it just didn't work, did it? Ah! I'm so I don't know. Okay. Okay. Let me just. Okay. So this is user ID. This person. So if it's where ID. Also, this needs to be changed into line 51, line 53. Maybe. This is not gonna work. I already know this is not gonna work because, like, I know it's not gonna work because I didn't change anything. I literally did not change anything. So. Okay, well, it just broke even more. That's what happened. Broke even more, guys. I almost did something that well, actually, no, I'm in the studio mode. It would have been fine. Okay, so this is the user ID. Yep. Come on. See, why is it not the client themselves? Why am I printing that twice? What the fuck? That's supposed to be one of those supposed to be players and party list. My bad. Okay. Let's take a step back and let's think about it. Why is this not working? First, we have the person. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do user ID with the person. Okay. Now print the local player.user ID and then the local player. Then we'll print these two. And then let's see what this is. Okay. So Boom, 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 boom. This is not the client themselves, even though clearly it is. Clearly it is. It's empty. So why does this not end it here? Oh! I'm not sure about this is gonna fix it. I hate fucking Roblox. I genuinely hate Roblox. Because this quite literally should be fucking working. I genuinely fucking hate Roblox, guys. I genuinely hate Roblox. I hate fucking Roblox. I actually hate Roblox Studio. Like, these problems shouldn't exist. They should literally just be numbers that work for themselves. There's no way that they're not fucking numbers. Come on, man. Is it really that fucking hard to do this goddamn game, bro? To just make it like just the same shit? Is it really, really that hard? Let's see, okay. Has two players. Player one. Player one. Player two, okay. It's not the client, yeah. Player two, player two. This is the client. Cool. Player one. Player one. This is the client themselves. Goes back to fucking player fucking one. Why do you go back to player one? Oh my god. Such a simple thing I'm messing up. Return end is not working. I need it to not be return end. Now the problem comes. What else do I put if it's not return end? Okay. Because return end is just supposed to fucking stop the for loop, like the setup for the for loop. That's it. That's all it's supposed to do. Right? It's literally just supposed to be like, oh, okay, so this is the user. Oh, okay, so since this is the user, let's just go back. Why is return end breaking the whole thing? Okay. Okay, wait. Let's think about this in a different direction, okay? Instead of checking what to do first, let's first check these. Check those first, and then we'll do what do you want to do. This should have the same exact problem though. This literally should be the same exact problem. Okay, let's test it out. Coding, guys. It's so fun. Coding is so fun, you guys. Fucking frameworks. I don't know how to make my own shit though from scratch, so it's quite horrible. So player 1, player 2. This is player 2, okay. Player 1, player 1. It's the same shit. Just keeps ending right here. Holy fuck. So what? If I put break here, it should just do something, right? Okay, we're gonna do this. See what happens. See what happens. We'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. I swear to God if this works. Nope. Just kept on going. That's the fucking problem. I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing something. I just don't know what it is. There's something fundamental I'm missing that probably if people come watch this shit, they'll be like, oh, you're a fucking idiot. And you know what? That's true. Oh. Did this work? No. Because it still did the ship shit. Right here. Player 1, break, through. Even though it's supposed to be going through. The whole thing. Like, why are you only going through run? Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Fuck this shit, guys. See what the fuck it says, guys. What the fuck is it talking about? Oh. Okay. Okay, y'all want to see what I'm laughing at right here? Look at this shit. Oops. Here. You guys see this shit? Use the go-to function. My dude. My dude. Go-to function? Hello? Go-to? What the fuck is go-to? What is it talking about? What the fuck is... What is ChatGPT talking about? What is it talking about? What is this? What is this? Watch. There is no such thing as a go-to thing inside of Roblox Studio. Where did you get the functionality of go-to? Watch. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So ChatGPT doesn't hallucinate, guys. ChatGPT don't hallucinate. It doesn't hallucinate. I don't know what you guys are talking about. ChatGPT doesn't hallucinate. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? It doesn't hallucinate. It doesn't fucking hallucinate, bro. What are you talking about, guys? It doesn't fucking hallucinate. Yeah, you're crazy, man. Everybody who says that it hallucinates, you're crazy. You're just insane. You don't know what you're talking about. You just don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Yep. ChatGPT's always right? ChatGPT's always right, guys. Proof right there that thing is a fucking idiot. Don't use it. I only did it because I got frustrated. Granted, helps me out. Calm myself down. I mean, hey, I think this did fix it though. Player 1. Boom. Player 2. Boom. So this did fix it. Oh no! I didn't mean to do that. God damn it. Okay. So I had to use continue instead of fucking return and or break. There we go. There you guys go. Fixed. I knew I was missing something, man. I forgot you could use continue. Completely forgot about that, man. I actually completely forgot. No. Okay, I should start upgrading my other stuff now. Damn, how much money I get though. Crazy. Okay. So now this should be working just fine. Player 2 can write that. Player 1 can write that. There we go. Reject each other. And join. But joining still has a problem. Index nil. Oh shit, that's right. That's why I wanted to check. Frame listing. So I need to print out frame listing. Okay, so where is frame listing? So frame listing. So here, print out frame listing, print out frame listing. Also, print out. Oh, it's already printing it. Players and server list. Players and party list. That's what it's supposed to be printing out. Okay. Now I should be able to see everything that's happening. Now I should be able to see everything. Right? That's what this is. It should now be okay. What is happening with these guys? So create, invite, join. No. Why is there a random ass print there? Fuck. Whatever. Players and server list. Players and party list. So this is the players and server list. -1. You know where this problem stems from? I remember. I fucking remember where this problem stems from. This problem that I am currently facing stems from the fact that I'm pretty sure when you do -1 as a user ID identification, it breaks the game because it's like, what? There is no -1 inside of this table. That's what that is. I'm like 90% sure this is the problem again. Again. 90% sure. I am pretty sure. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm back. And okay. So all of these user IDs, okay. So what I'm gonna do to them. User ID. Oh. Yeah, I should do that. So all of these user IDs. Okay. So I'm gonna need to go to every single one of these. I'm going to need to do string because Roblox Studio sucks ass and needs this to be like this. Stringify all of these things. Because Roblox Studio doesn't know how to do this. Stringify. Stringify. So we are going to stringify all of these because Roblox Studio sucks and doesn't know how to do this themselves. God, I hate fucking Roblox Studio. I hate Roblox Studio. Hate Roblox Studio. Absolutely hate Roblox Studio. I hate Roblox Studio. We're just gonna stringify every single fucking one because it makes my life easier. Just stringifying everything. Because if I do numbers, it's gonna error out. Because then it's looking for the index of the number, which does not work. Hey. Stringify. Stringify. Did I fix it? Yeah, it's on the Roblox window. Okay. Right. Yeah, it's on the Roblox window. Fuck chat GPT. 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 Fuck AI. Fuck AI. I hate fucking AI, man. These dumb bitches. Dumb fucks. Dumb fucks, man. God damn. These dumb fucking AIs. Dumb fucking AIs, man. That pisses me off. Pisses me off, man. Pisses me off. Oh, the damn AI. They be pissing me off, man. Okay. Anyways. This has to change into a display capture. Let's hope it works. Let's hope it works. Da 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 da. guys like my ASMR? Just totally ASMR. Totally not me fucking buttering my hair out! You're 1, right? I get 2. Wait! 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 Okay. So the reason why this is fucking happening is due to the fact that I'm not creating a listing for this person, yourself, because it's all client-sided. Client themselves do not make a serverless frame. Oh, Jesus Christ. So instead... Fuck! Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a damn fucking minute, bro. Wait a damn fucking minute. I think... I had to think of this in a different way. Wait. Okay. Let me experiment with something real quick, okay? So if I have the party menu visible, okay? Let's say I have some things inside of the server listing frame. So let's do server list. And I have multiple of them, okay? If I make this one not visible, it still works. Okay. That's all I wanted to know. So basically what I'm going to be fucking doing then is, instead of not creating one, okay? This is client side, don't make one. We're going to so this is the only one that needs to change. Oops. This is the only one that needs to change, because now what we're going to be doing is poem, then clone dot visible is equal to true, else clone dot visible is equal to, oops, wait, this is the opposite, false, true. There we go. Did I just fix it? Am I a genius? Am I a genius, guys? Or am I simply nothing? Oh, don't see it. You didn't see that. Or am I nothing more than a fool? Am I a genius or am I nothing more than a fool, guys? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, guys? What do you think? I think maybe I'm a genius. No more errors. Hallelujah! No more errors. No more errors. Okay. And now we have a bunch of other things that I need to think about. And you know what? Guys, I think today we've done enough. So I think today we've done enough, guys. Do you guys agree with me? I think we've done enough of this shit. So what we are going to be doing. Oh look, I leveled up. Nice. That's what I was waiting for, guys. So what I was waiting for, what am I talking about? Okay, so now what I need to do is make it so that way they actually switch over in the party menu. You know, switch over. So I'm gonna need to do that. Make it switch over into the other side, yada yada yada. But gosh, that is all we're gonna be doing for today. I am tired as hell. Not really. I mean, I say that's all we're gonna do today. I'm probably gonna do more solo though. Maybe I'll figure it out by myself instead of, you know, with it on stream. Maybe I'll figure it out myself, but God, there was a lot of problems. I fixed a lot of them. Gladly fixed a lot of them. So now should be semi-okay. I say semi-okay because it's semi-okay, right? Should be semi-okay. Anyways, as I always say at the end of my streams, guys, if you're having a bad day, I hope the rest of your day is better. And if you need good luck, I hope the gods of luck give it to you, right? And even if they don't give it to you, maybe it'll take a year, maybe it'll take a month, maybe it'll take a second. Who knows? Life will get better. Trust me on that. I mean, hell, look at me with coding. It got better eventually. Eventually it got better. Eventually it got better. So just, you know that you too will also have that, right? You also have it be better eventually. Eventually. But as I say before too, if you're watching here live and or you're watching the VOD, I hope you enjoyed watching me suffer and try to figure this stuff out. I still hate Roblox Studio to a passion. I don't know, man. I'm sorry. I was looking at the wrong thing at the wrong time. It was all messed up, so that was my bad. But I will be ending the stream here. I'll see you guys later. Probably maybe play. I'll probably play Cyberpunk later, and then maybe I'll do coding again. I don't know. I've been sleeping like really early, man. Like really early. I've been sleeping at around. I've been sleeping around like 8 or 9ish. So I actually really don't know. I've been sleeping a lot recently. So I have to see. I do want to stream again though, because I want to finish this. I want to finish this before the end of this week, which is Thursday for me. So before Thursday, after Thursday, I want this system to be done and finished. Please, I hope I really hope. I really want it to be done by then. Will it be done? That's a different question that I don't know the answer to. But I really hope it is done by then. But we'll have to see with that one. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be leaving. Goodbye. Have a good rest of your day, guys. Goodbye. Goodbye, you guys. Goodbye.